everybody. I'm getting another late start today. Wife's got a little vacation time that she's finally using. And our plans that we had all fell through because we're going to go see my sister. She got sick. Told the mother-in-law she was going to go with us. Found out she's sick. So, we're going to shoot for another day. So we're just kind of... So the wife and I went for a cruise and spent some time together, had lunch, and kind of nice. So I'm finally going out to the farm to do some work. And I seen one of you guys ask me about these transmission connects. Well, we're going to try a couple of things. I'm going to demonstrate why it's out. But when it's in the vehicle, it's a totally different story. So, on how to get those quick connect lines disconnected. And where did I put? I was going to say, I walked off and forgot them. Oh, and we got what I needed for the engine oil cooler lines on mine. Since I pull trailers and that and do some heavy stuff, I run the engine oil coolers. I like them. I ain't never had any troubles with them. I guess it's just a maintenance thing. You gotta keep your stuff up. So I'm seeing a lot of guys complaining about the engine oil coolers, and well, it's a maintenance thing. Nothing lasts forever, people. You got it. Everything's going to break. It's all man-made. It can and will fail. Nothing lasts forever. So we'll get out to the farm and I'll show you. I got, I think, what's supposed to be the proper tool, and then I'll show you what I've ended up doing because, yeah. All right. Okay. One of you asked me about these quick connect training lines here. When you're under the vehicle trying to get to it, it's a bitch because you're going right up between here and the exhaust pipe and that. It's really confined, so it is a tight space. And I think they're supposed to be like this. It's supposed to work. Now this is not going to work. I can see that because it's too thick. But there are supposed to be tools out there that you can put on there. Now let's see, maybe this next one. There's supposed to be these quick disconnect tools. They're supposed to go on the line. Yep, this. Well, the plastic's too thick on this set. Oh wait, hey, I just thought of another one I bought. Maybe that will work. Well, these won't work. This might just be for fuel. Oh yeah, this one's looks like it's for fuel line because yep, it don't even fit that. So okay, so the only way I can get to them is with a pick, and I tried this one. It didn't work the best. I ended up using this pick right here with the 90, and when you're down underneath feeling around, you got to find the end of that and get under that and work it up. And then when I get it up there like that, when I'm underneath, then I just hook it and pull it out, and hopefully you don't lose it. Or if you're like me, you start adding a few, and then it's just a matter of pulling out. So yeah, that's they're supposed to have the correct tool, but oh shit, really? Okay. Why in the heck? And it's one of those things that you remember to do out of the vehicle. Oh, that's what it's doing. There, now it's back in. So, yeah, unfortunately, this is the only thing I've found that's worked. The fish around up in there, and like I said, you gotta find that end and pop it out. And so yeah, that's how you do those. This is the bigger version. Here, this is for the engine oil cooler, which I went and bought those. Mine are all rusty on this fitting, and I didn't like how they come apart, but I guess if anybody ever needs to order these from GM, there is the part number. I got these for 14 bucks a piece. So, and unfortunately it wasn't from my local dealer because they wouldn't answer the phone or call me back. So I went to the next dealer and actually got them cheaper. Go figure. But anyway, so yeah, that's what they look like. And the reason that if you, the guy that he put new O-rings down in there, which it has to be a bitch to get down in there, but he put new O-rings in there and new retainers, so I've ended up with a few extra. So now I can go around and change out the engine oil once, snap the lines in, and then find a home for all this crap. These seats, that brown seat's going to go back in the black truck, just lay in there for now. And I gotta get those blocks moved and mower and all that stuff moved. And I was going to replace the engine oil lines, but when I washed them out, I've blowed through them. That's an extra 50 bucks for new lines. I guess I'm going to just chance it. They weren't leaking when I took them out, so. And I'm water thirsty today. Trying to do a few things. It don't take long to get winded yet. But yes. So we'll be ready to drop this in, and then, well, no, I found the correct dipstick that I need to weld back together for this. And then we'll be ready to rock and roll. Get this thing down in the truck, and I don't know if it'll be running this weekend or not. As what we were going to do is going to take up the whole weekend, but now it's just going to be a one night thing. So anyway, well, we'll go around and change out these engine oil cooler line fittings and get those snapped on, and I'm going to start rearranging the shop what I can. Otherwise I'm going to wait for the help and tell them, well, I need you. So anyway, alright. Now I'm probably going to regret not doing this before I put it on the motor, but not too bad. I couldn't find my manual, and I couldn't find a pocket knife, and I just found the pocket knife, still couldn't find the manual, and looked up there in the top of the toolbox, and there laid the manual. I'm like, really? I hate when I do that. This, I'll show you here in a second why I'm replacing these. There's why I'm replacing it. All rust. Whoops. It's all rusty, and the one part got smashed because I had a hell of a time getting the lines out of there, and so we're gonna just replace those. Let's see. a little bit of crud in there that I don't like. There we go. Anyway, well, that bottom one's out. I'm going to take that top one off, but that one's going to be, I'm going to have to use the open end because the oil pan's in the way there. All right, I'll bring you guys back when I get them in. I don't want to bore you doing that, but now there's the difference. New versus old. So, yeah. All right. Oops, sorry. Okay, good thing I had one of the old set around because I needed the little plastic retainer for the top one. So, let's see. Really? Interesting. Pain to put on. Okay, that went. That went. Just had there. Anyway, slide the little plastic lock over it so the well, that's kind of oh shit. All right, I gotta do a little. I forgot to had that by that bar, and now it won't fit. So, all right. Okay, I got the blocks moved. Holy crap! I gotta quit doing that. Got that hanging there. I ain't never seen. I think my floor is unlevel, but that one wheel's coming off the floor there. Got space under him. And I ain't never done that before, but I know my floor's not level. I'm seeing I'm getting a lot of cracks in it, so never ever pour over the top old concrete. I had people talk me into doing it, and I should have dug it all up and started over, but oh well, live and learn. But if you've seen it in a couple of flashes, the old 97 is in here, and I ain't sure how I'm going to get the I gotta look. I can't remember which way the damn wires go. That's going to be the fun part, keeping the wires up out of the way and not pinch them, needling this stuff down in there. Plus then I gotta, after I get the motor and tranny set down in there, I gotta jack this truck up so I can get my ass under there. And I got an idea. I'll put that lift that I made under there. So as I jack the truck up, I'll raise the lift so that way I don't have to worry about pinching the distributor. So yeah, we're really close to dropping this in, getting everything hooked up. Well, it's actually going to be in there and together, but I might go back out the door not running because I forgot I need a new radiator for this. I need a new radiator. I need the tranny fluid, oil, engine oil, and I gotta find me a damn bracket for the spider injection. The only way you get it is if you buy a new one or you go to the junkyard. So, and when I had the door open, I covered up the motor, took my big blower and blew the building out, turned on the fans, forced it all out, and blew the floor out and that, and I see this truck peed antifreeze on the floor already. And this truck will get the Dex Cool in it, which, oh yeah, I gotta get a hold of them. But, alright, I gotta make a phone call before they close. I wish I would have remembered to load this up and take it to town and power wash it, but oh well. It's all old oil. Kept her from rusting out. Well, that's hanging there for now. That's there. I just got done messing around outside, grading off the last of the ruts. Like this. I think I'm done. The only seat I didn't get back in here was the scrap seat, which ain't gonna hurt nothing to sit outside. Ah, shit, I forgot that. I'm done for the day. And it'd be nice to get this thing running and get on the body work this summer. Oh, I gotta sit down. What in the heck? Oh, that's what's going on. Sorry about for that cloudiness. I didn't realize the lens and the dust just stuck right to it sitting up here by the fan. Sorry about that. Anyway, I don't know. Maybe Sunday that might go in. I don't know. I have to see how the next couple days go. It's time to go home and take some medicine. I've been trying to go just to keep working it out of my system. And it didn't work too good, so. But yeah, this old truck here, we'll get her. I mean, front fenders are good, doors are good. Just the rocker panels and cab corners and we'll get her fixed. So, well guys, you have a great day, great night, great evening, great week, great month, great year. So, we'll catch you later and God bless you all. Thanks for watching.